Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video to watch, and I hope you do enjoy. Please remember to like this video if you do end up enjoying it, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and share my content with people so I can grow my channel. However, I just wanted to kind of show you guys what I do in a day. I'm going to be recording a video later so I can show you guys how I set up for a video. I'm going to be filming a vid today, so I can kind of show you guys behind the scenes of how I set up a video and the lighting, etc. and what I use. I'm going to go and make myself some breakfast actually because I haven't eaten today, and it's like 11 o'clock I think, so yeah. And yeah, I'm going to just be doing some random stuff today, and yeah. So I've currently just woken up to basically my parents are not even in the house, and yeah, so I think they've gone shopping actually for a food shop, but basically that means we can do whatever we want today. Where are the bowls please? Oh, here they are. You can tell I've never done the dishes before. I am actually having the mini wheats crispy minis. If any of you haven't tried these, obviously you need to try them because they're amazing. Basically, I don't even really like Weetabix or anything like that, but obviously because I've got chocolate in, I'm all for it. And yeah, oh my god, there's hardly any left. I was expecting to pull out a massive bag. What the hell? Got my milk in there, and yeah, I'm getting ready to eat now, guys. Do some life updates. Basically, there's gonna be some more videos coming your way onto my channel, so watch this space. Basically, I'm just gonna be doing a room transformation soon. So I'm gonna be updating some things, changing some things, keeping some things. I've got a lot planned for my room. I also really want to show you a corner of my room, which I absolutely love. But it doesn't really match in my room because it's a completely different colour. However, I might just find it, see if I can find a gold tray thing. Yeah, I'll show you now. Okay, so basically what I wanted to show you was this kind of trolley that I actually have. Oh my god, I can't pick it up, it's so heavy. I'm gonna have to just show you guys. Okay, so basically I have this trolley in my room which literally has all of my things I literally need. This is all kind of my bath stuff and my shower stuff and kind of my everyday uses, my cleanser and moisturiser and stuff. And then on this one it's my nails. I just have some random bits there, but this is literally my gel set and nails and all that. And then underneath is my fake tans and, do you know what I mean, all the stuff my makeup brush, cleaner, and I've just got a few masks and stuff that I don't use every single day. And yeah, this is basically a little organiser that I bought because I just feel there was so much and I literally couldn't fit any of it in my room. Any of my drawers were just packed and everything was just shoved in and it just looked super gross. However, I bought this and it actually has been so much better, from organisation especially. And yeah, but it's nice. It's a really nice colour, pink. However, obviously it's not really going to fit the theme of my room once it's done. So I feel I need to find a gold one, but I don't want it to be too expensive because I am going to be super broke after this. But yeah, so basically that's that, and I literally just want to update you. I'm going to go off camera and just quickly get changed and stuff, and I'm going to be filming my video now for my TikTok made me buy, and then it's the Amazon edition. But not gonna lie, I think it might already be on my channel by the time that this vlog is uploaded, so if you did want to go and check that out, I'll leave the link below for you. And I'm gonna just kind of do that behind the scenes, kind of setting it all up, putting everything neatly, how I kind of set up, what lighting I use, all that sort of thing. And I'm really going to put you on a little time lapse of me just putting makeup on really quickly because I'm not going to do too much today because it is Sunday, and I don't really do Sundays if you didn't know already. I literally just like to lounge about and do nothing, so yeah. So I'm going to quickly do that, but just quickly before I end this little bit here, before I do the time lapse, I just want to say my outfit at the moment, which I've literally been chilling in all through lockdown because yeah, is quickly, I'll show you now. Okay, so just really quickly, I've literally just been chilling in the Sisters and Seekers hoodie, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. I literally have like a load of their clothes, and I'm also going to be purchasing some more soon. So guys, you know what's going on my channel, Sisters and Seekers haul. But yeah, and then I've just literally been wearing these black joggers from Primark, which I did get obviously before it closed, before lockdown, which I'm absolutely like so excited for it to open again, because I just need a Primark shop. Like, I need underwear, I need basic tops, like, oh my god. And then obviously I just got some like shit little night socks that I've had for like about 20,000 years. So yeah, I'm literally going to be just getting quickly changed. Not gonna lie, I don't even know if I'm going to change my joggers, only because like no one's going to see that bottom half on camera, and I just want to chill. But I might put a bit of top on, like, do you know what I mean, like just look a bit smarter for our video. But yeah, I'm going to be doing that now, and I will speak to you in a bit. Okay, so this is kind of where I film, in just like this little spot here. All I do literally is just like pop my chair there, and yeah, Bob's your uncle. So basically I have a ring light here, which obviously produces the light for my filming, and then I also have a tripod here, which I clip my phone, or you can like clip your camera, but I don't actually have one right now, but I'm saving up one, so yeah. And basically, yeah, it's just like really good light. If I just sit down here, it gives me so much more light. Obviously the best light is natural daylight, but because like the weather's just crap today, and most days at the moment the weather hasn't been that good, obviously there is a shortage of natural sunlight, so that's why I use my ring light. So obviously when I'm filming, my camera is normally just like propped up, so I have to keep holding it up like I am with this tripod at the moment. And also my ring light is a bit closer, so obviously it's a bit more brighter. I do actually keep my little lamp on here when it is in the video, because it's actually really good to have some backlight as well to help brighten obviously the picture up. So yeah, that is it basically, just setting up everything and getting ready to film another video. Yeah. Okay guys, so I've literally just finished my TikTok Made Me by Amazon edition video on for me to edit today at some point. So basically I've just got the rest of the day to chill. I'm probably gonna like pick up on you guys later on, only because I've literally got nothing to do. I'm literally just gonna, you know, watch a bit of TV, get some lunch. In fact, my parents aren't even back yet from the shop, so I've literally got nothing in the house right now. But yeah, I'm literally just gonna chill a bit, and I will speak to you guys later. Okay guys, so I have just got out of the shower, and yeah, I've basically just dyed my hair. I didn't actually mention it before because It's kind of like a spur of the moment kind of thing, but yeah, I've dyed my hair and I'm kind of excited to see what it is actually going to turn out like, because honestly I literally like have no clue what it's going to be like. So my hair is like kind of still blonde, but it's actually gone like really dark brown compared to what it was before, and I will literally quickly show you what hair dye I use because it's from Superdrug, you know, nice and cheap, and it is the Olia one. Every time I dye my hair, like when it's a box dye, if I like change back to brown hair, I always use Olia because I have actually like oils in there, so it doesn't damage your hair as much as it would. And I did use the shade 7.0 dark blonde, so obviously it's still like a bit blonde, but obviously it's mainly brown, and they're the colours on the back. And obviously when I dye my hair I use Olaplex as well. I literally just put some Olaplex number 3 in there, so my hair is not even that damaged. This is kind of what it looks like in the light. So obviously there's like still some blonde throughout my hair, but it is actually gone more of a brown colour, which I'm really happy about. I was going to dry my hair, but I think I'm just going to like let it dry naturally so I don't ruin it anymore. And oh my, hello Pascal. Oh, he's camera shy. You camera shy? Oh. 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 And now he's gone back to sleep. So again, today I don't really have much to do. I need to like tidy my room, obviously. I'm actually in the middle of watching Mrs. Brown's Boys the movie on Netflix because I've watched it so many times and oh my god, I'm just obsessed. And then yeah, I'm thinking of starting my room transformation in the next couple of days. I think my cat just had a hairball. Oh. Okay, I need to rescue him, one sec. Okay, so I just had to rescue my cat. But yeah, so where was I? Yeah, I'm not really doing anything today. I've been chilling with Stitch all day, watching TV, and I need to just sort my life out a bit. I currently look like a bit of a style. I've just popped this little headband in from about like 10 years ago. And yeah, I'm waiting on some food. I've actually ordered some Greek food, which is not at all me, but we have a Greek restaurant just down the road and I haven't actually eaten there for like so long, and they've just come on to Just Eat, so obviously we had to have it. But yeah, I've ordered the mixed grill, which I'm obsessed with, so when it comes I will show you how good it looks. Okay guys, so my food has arrived and oh my god, it is amazing. £30 well spent. Oh my god. Basically there's loads of like grill stuff underneath this. Oh my god, look at all that food. And we've got some chippies underneath there as well. Oh my god, amazing. Hi guys again. So it's actually currently 1:27 in the morning and I'm literally just editing the vlog, and I just realised I didn't actually say like a goodbye or like end the vlog, which I thought was very rude of me. So I'm going to end it here with this lovely angle. So thank you for watching. I hope you did enjoy the vlog. Let me know if you want me to do any more vlogs because I will definitely be doing more vlogs. I just want to see who's interested really in watching them. So yeah, thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.